everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are into the crypto, you are in the right place. On this channel, I bring you the latest and most exciting crypto projects, hidden gems and new opportunities you don't want to miss. Whether it is trending coins, upcoming launches or unique platform, you have got covered. I keep things simple, real and straight to the point so you can easily understand, stay ahead in the crypto world. So make sure to subscribe, stay active and don't miss out the next big move. Let's explore crypto together. Hey guys, so today in this video we are diving down into the Trash Raccoon project. This is a new project from trash to treasure. Here we are to the website of the project as currently they're in the pre-sale phase, so you can buy from the pre-sale right now, and when the pre-sale will end, you'll be able to stake your token and earn. You can join the claim from here. Trash Raccoon. Trash Raccoon is a Web3 project born with an innovative proposal, transforming digital trash into a new economy based on utility, games, and decentralization. Inspired by the idea that one man's trash is another man's treasure, the project aims to create a complete ecosystem connecting blockchain, digital games, NFTs, and a native economy based on the trash token. The project starts as a community and token, but evolves into the complete Web3 games platform, and in the future its own blockchain focused on games and digital assets. And then here we have some more details of the problem and the solution. The crypto market has thousands of abandoned projects, tokens without utility, and communities that disappear after launch. This creates that we all digital trash assets, the lost value and ceases to have utility. Trash Raccoon emerges with the proposal of digital recycling, transforming the concept of digital trash into a functional and sustainable economy. And the ecosystem was born from trash to treasure. Here we have chapter 11 of Discovery. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Then the rise from the stress to the moon, the clan. We are not just holders, we are movement, a family of trash raccoons building the next big Web3 games platform. And then some more details of their, you can join the details of Trash Raccoon here. So you can choose out the details of Trash Raccoon Web3 ecosystem, the ecosystem of Trash Raccoon game, Trash NFTs, marketplace, staking rewards, Trash Play platform, trends, chain, future, etc. Then we have the roadmap, that what they have planned for their future and what is the future planning of the project Trash Raccoon 2026 to 2020, almost 2030. And then some more details of the project, of the website launch, ICO finalization, and many more are coming soon. So here we have mission. Mission is to transform the concept of digital trash into a new economy based on utility, creativity, decentralization, and generate opportunities for developers and players within the ecosystem. And VN is to be recognized as the first ecosystem, first connects digital recycling games and blockchain on a single global platform. Then here we have tokenomics, 40% for pre-sale, 20% for liquidity, 15% for game rewards, 10% for staking, 10% for team, and 5% for marketing. And here we have vesting details, then conclusion, and then don't miss the next big thing. So here we are redirected to the Twitter link, so you have to simply follow them on Twitter to know more about the project, to check the recent tweets, recent details of the project on time, as this is the best and amazing platform on Sol blockchain. So you have to check the recent details of the project of Trash Raccoon and simply follow them. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. This is not a financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing. Thank you so much for watching.